maging komportable ito si Mark Kagiwa, you have to start him para maiba yung kwento.
First foul, Mark Kagiwa sa ating laban. Wait, report. Kagiwa, andun yung double team. Diyan namatay si Mark Kagiwa in game number 1. May point ka na siya. Tignan muna natin si Kagiwa kung gaano kahirap ang buhay niya para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ayan, nakikita ninyo ang ating slow motion kung gaano ka-miserable ang buhay ni Mark Kagiwa. That's slow.
Barangay, itong San Miguel, parang cool na cool. Ayan pa, isang cool na cool.
Maganda ito, maipasok niya yung kanyang unang tira. Ito yung two-way player na Mark Kagiwa.
Ayun, bola-bola.
Yung kanyang timing, huling-huli. And ito pong inyong nakikita sequence brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you could say it, text it for free activation call 171.
Airs.
They reverse the ball. Kagiwa is open for a 3-point shot.
Oh!
And that PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you of course by our friends from PLDT. Mark Kagiwa. Naku, pass na pa shot. Binigay kay Isigel. 3-point shot. Naku, nabawi agad.
And that's how... Oy.
Kagiwa has it. Pupukas si Kagiwa. And 7 straight points. At yung bang inyo nakita was another super open Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa nasa 3-point land. Inside to Jun Limpot. Excellent pass! Helderbrand in a foot race against Boybits. Bibigay kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa will lay this in. And Kagiwa sparked Ginebra.
I was about to say, yung mga refs allowing some contact there. Oy!
Kagiwa. Yung isang nakikita natin na hindi nalalaman ng maraming explosiveness. First step, ayun yung first step. And he is gone. And he has 11 points. And slow-mo brought to you by PLDT Text. Danny Siegel, open is Kagiwa. He'll take this one. Mainit! Mainit! Mainit ang kamay ng bata.
Grabe ang quickness nito. Pero kung tutuusin, marami nang natutunan ito si Mark Kagiwa. Ayan pa.
Binawi naman niya.
Ayan pa.
Anong sabi mo, Kamo?
Oo, marami na siyang natutunan dito.
The number 1 round. Kagiwa, pumubukol pa rin. And he ups his...
Nasa bench ngayon. Kanina pa, actually, matagal na. Oy,
Kagiwa against sa triple team. Hindi pwede, broy. Hindi mo pwede subukan yan. Yan ang sinasabi natin dito. Ewan ko kung anong klaseng drawing board ang babalikan itong kupunan ng Ginebra.
Ayun, 3 points na rin si Alex Crisano. Wala
Sabi
pa.
niya, subukan na natin lahat. And Calpit. Open is Mark Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa, lumapit na konti. Hindi kinaliwa.
Oh!
Meron ka pala nun. Hindi ko alam.
Iba talaga. Etong si Mark Kagiwa. Parang ano to kung kumilos to, parang veterano. Pero alam natin, first year player itong si Mark Kagiwa. Rookie po ito.
Ito yung tinatawag nilang player na stake in the PBA